Hello everyone. It's the reading passage 1 of IELTS book 1. A spark, a flint, how far leap to life. So here is a complete passage. And these are some questions. Like, we have to fill these gaps. The first example is this primitive society saw fire as Vash's gift. Answer is Hemily. So we have to do like this to fill all these gaps. And the first one, they tried to dash burning logs or charcoal. So we have to read it one by one. All these points, they tried to dash burning logs or charcoal. Find out these keywords, burning logs or charcoals. Where it is mentioned burning logs or charcoals, burning logs and charcoal, here is some words there. So we have to find our answer in between this. Unable to make flame for themselves, the earliest people probably stored fire by keeping slow, burning logs or what they do. The earliest people, they're talking about earliest people. What they do probably stored fire. So here answer is stored fire. What they're doing, stored fire. So we will find out in our list of the words. Where is the stored? No, there is not any word as a stored. We have to use synonyms. Where is the synonym of the stored? That it can be preserved. Preserve, so we will write it. They tried to preserve burning logs or charcoal. When we are coming to the next, dash they could create fire themselves. Means they're talking about that they could create, they're creating something and did fire themselves. We have read it there. Talking about to early man fire for a divine randomly delivered in the form of the lighting. Unable to make flame for themselves. How and where men learn how to produce flame at will is unknown. So here in the second, how and where men learn how to produce flame at will is unknown. So they're saying it is unknown. So synonym of the unknown. When we are finding unknown synonym, no, there is not any word unknown. So we will go in a synonym. Unaware is a synonym. So here is an answer is unaware that they could create fire themselves. Now, if we are coming into a third point, it is suspected that the first man-made flames were produced by. The first man-made flames were produced by who? This is the part. So they're talking about produced by who produced it. And after the by, we need a noun. So find out the word. It was probably a secondary invention accidentally made during operating operations with a water stone. Accidentally is the word. Probably a secondary invention accidentally. So we would find out the word accidentally over there. Accident is not the word, right? But after the by, we need a noun. So what is the noun in this list of words? Blacking? No, that is a chance. Chance is the word by chance. That is, it is expected that the first man made flames were produced by chance. Accidentally. Now we are coming into the fourth one. The very first fire lighting method involved the creation of dash. The very first fire lighting method. They are talking about very first fire lighting method. What is the first fire lighting method? Man-made during tool with water stone. Studies of primitive societies suggest that the earliest method is the synonym of. The very first lighting method means the earliest method. So our answer in between this, ideas method of making fire was through friction. The word is the friction. So friction is the word suitable. The very first fire lighting method involved the creation of friction. And where is the word is the friction? Here is the word friction. Right out there. Dash by, for example, rapidly a wooden stick in a round hole. Means here they are talking about a process that wooden stick that is in a round hole. It is a complete process there talking about. The word is rapidly. Find out this is a adverb. Adverb, it is an adverb. After the adverb, we have to use verb. Okay, so find out the word. There is a verb. For example, rapidly dash a wooden stick in a round hole. In a European peasants would insert a wooden drill. Here is the word that wooden in a round hole and rotated precisely. Precisely is the synonym of a rapidly rotate. So we will write it, rotate. There's the word is a rotate, 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 rotate. Yes, this is the word is rotating. So write it rapidly rotating. So it is a verb. Now when we're coming to the sixth, a wooden stick or a persistent chipping was also a widespread in Europe. And among other pupils such as Chinese in this, and dash. The use of, we will read it here. The use of dash, what is the use of dash or persistent chipping was also widespread in Europe. We will read out just from the use of dash or persistent chipping. Find out the word chipping here. Here is the word chipping. Yes, chipping flints means there is the sentence. Our answer between this percussion method of fire lighting date back to Paleolithic times when some Stone Age tool maker discovered that a chipping flints produces sparks. The good percussion methods of fire lighting date back means that earlier when some Stone Age tool maker discovered that chipping flints produce sparks, so percussion it would be the answer. Like percussion or persistent chipping, these are widespread in Europe and among other people such as Chinese and dash. Among other people Chinese and dash, who are the among other people Chinese? Find out the Chinese. The Chinese lit out their fires by striking perculating with bamboo. What are the other people in Arctic North America? The Eskimos produced a slow burning spark by striking quartz against iron pyrites, a compound that contains sulfur. The Chinese lit their fire by striking perculating with bamboo. So is Eskimos produced a slow. It's not that in most people do the mistakes. They use the word Arctic North America. No. Read out this. The Eskimos produced. Eskimos produce a slow burning spark. Chinese and Eskimos. So they are talking about them among people such as Chinese and Eskimos. Find the word Eskimos. This is the word Eskimos there. European practice of this method continued until 1850s. So, European people that they do practice of this method till 1850s. That's the discovery of phosphorus some years earlier. So they are saying that phosphorus, the discovery of phosphorus, it was an earlier invention before the Europeans, 1850s. So, I'm coming to this. firelight thing was revolutionized by Phosphorus. Here's the keyword Phosphorus. I saw that in 1669 by a German alchemist trying to transmute silver into gold. So they already have done it. But what word can we use until, if we are saying that 50s until the discovery of phosphorus? No, we can't use until word because until is already here. So we can use despite the discovery of phosphorus some years later. It is the answer, despite. Thank you.